According to the news, the morning procession of Hazrat Ali Karimullah Rabia was held peacefully throughout the district from Multan. The police and security force formed the best security plan on all the routine. Deputy Commissioner Captain Retired Assistant Commissioner City Ismail Mushtaq gave a briefing on the arrangement on the routine of morning processions. Deputy Commissioner Captain Rizwan Qadir says that the district administration and police have given exemplary arrangement on the routine of morning procession and assemblies, where specially person and CCTV cameras has also been installed at sensitive places. Rizwan Qadir says that all the procession license holders were directed to end the procession at the appointed time, thanks to why the overall law and order of the district was restored, and the security agencies were also on full alert.